The COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in a major N95 shortage in hospital and clinical settings. There are nearly 18 million healthcare workers here in the United States who are all required to wear N95s throughout their workday, creating a market of $1.3 billion in the US. These healthcare workers have to reuse their disposable N95s for much longer than intended. And from speaking with physicians across the country, we learned that N95 respirators are generally worn for around 5 days, and in some cases over a week before finally disposing of them. Unfortunately, current N95 designs are uncomfortable and incapable of withstanding repeated and long-term use. In fact, anywhere from 28 to 40% of N95 respirator straps break within 5 days of usage, which significantly limits the reusability of these respirators. Additionally, physicians and nurses have identified that the long hours of usage are prone to cause discomfort and the constant need for readjustment. To combat this dilemma, we implemented a low-cost strap attachment accessory that can easily be attached before or after strap breakage. This accessory is compatible with more comfortable straps and strengthens the attachment point. Through NIOSH standardized testing protocols, we have verified that our solution improves both the strap durability and the overall seal of the respirator. These adjustable and reusable straps will increase both the lifespan and comfort of the N95 respirators.
Throughout our design process, we noticed that the most important design inputs we needed to address was maintaining the seal and durability and strength of the straps themselves compared to the already existing N95 straps. We started by testing the original N95 respirator, both the strap material as well as attachment strength, to get a baseline of what our strap would need to meet or exceed these expectations. After testing, we focused primarily on fabric strap materials because comfortability was a huge aspect we obtained from numerous user interviews with clinicians. We also observed that the fabric straps maintained their length and did not deform, unlike the original rubber N95 straps. We noticed that the material strength of the strap itself, no matter the material we had chosen, exceeded the strength of the original N95 straps. However, we ran into a design obstacle when we found out we would need an attachment that could be both easily placed by the user but also meet the strength of current industrial attachment standards. Our first prototype featured a metal button fastener that, although had great attachment strength, would be fairly difficult for the user to apply efficiently in a clinical setting. Therefore, we moved on to adhesives like a double-sided 3M adhesive tape, which almost met minimum attachment strength requirements, but did not quite reach them. We decided to move on to a polyurethane adhesive, which increased the attachment strength of the current N95 strap attachments by more than 50%. This solution also allowed for significantly easier application by the user. This is our final working prototype. You can see here we have 3D printed clasps, which are currently made of PLA from the printer we use. However, during manufacturing, we will change this to a stronger ABS plastic material. Overall, we achieved a comfortable, stretchable strap with plastic loops at the site of attachment to allow for user adjustability as needed.